In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a product on Payhip. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to take to make a product visible or selectively available in your Payhip store. By the end, you'll know how to move a product from hidden to live and understand the difference between the visibility options so you can choose the one that fits your needs. First, log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual account details. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the products option in the main navigation. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to your product list where you'll see all the items you've created in your Payhip account. From this list, find the product you want to publish. Right now, it's either hidden or not visible to your customers. On the right-hand side of that products row, you'll see an edit option. Click edit to open the product editor. Inside the editor, you'll see different sections where you can manage details like the title, description, pricing, and so on. For now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Visibility. This is where you control whether your product is publicly available or not. At the moment, your product is likely set to invisible, which means customers can't see or buy it at all. To publish the product, you'll change this setting. You have two main options for making it available. The first option is Visible. If you choose Visible, your product becomes fully public. That means everyone can see it on your store page. It can appear in your store listings, and anyone who visits your store will be able to buy it without needing a special link. This is the best choice for products you're ready to promote widely. The second option is Unlisted. When a product is unlisted, it does not appear on your public store pages. People browsing your store won't see it in your product catalog. However, anyone who has the direct product link can still access the page and purchase it. This is useful for private offers, special bonuses, limited releases, or products you only want to share with specific customers. Once you've selected the visibility setting that works best for you, scroll down to the very bottom of the editor. There, click the Save Changes button. Payhip will update your product with the new visibility setting. That's it. Your product is now published according to the visibility option you chose, and your customers can start accessing it the way you intended.